From the main menu, select Program Sensor. Then select Sensor Selection. Select the sensor you are working with. Then select the vehicle's make, model, and year. For this example, we will be using a Chevrolet Trax 2017. Then select Manual ID. A sensor ID can be entered in decimal or hexadecimal format, decimal being numbers 0 through 9, and hexadecimal being A through F and 0 through 9. For this example, we will be using hexadecimal. Enter an existing sensor ID or a custom ID. Then, place the sensor you are using above the tool's antenna and press the trigger button. The sensor has been successfully programmed.